Hello, hello. Mic check. So we are going to tape read today, 8 September 2025. Um, let's see. We actually wanted to start from 8 a.m. New York time, but somehow I don't know. It's get late. Okay, maybe you don't like this theme at all. Let me just. I don't know, maybe you will like this. I do this hollow candles because I want to print the I just want to print the screenshot. Means at the time of tape reading, I took the screenshots and then I wanted to print it so I can read it later. That's why I make it as a hello. So when you convert this to the black and white print, you can see the charts. Um, okay, let's see. Let's see what we have. Uh, we will clear everything else. New York study. 1 minute. First, we will do for and where we are going to take notes. I have one app in my mind, Good Notes. Probably, if someone is using Mac, they will probably like this because this is one of the best if you want to write it from iPad. But I will type it out, so don't worry. Forex practice and yeah, tape reading. Mm, yes. Okay, so this one is old one. We will do something like that. Let me increase the size and yes. So now, first we will go for you can say weekly. I don't know. So if you can see weekly, what we are going to see is that from where price is coming from and from where price is going. These things will be repeated each and every day. What we are going to see from where price is coming and where price is going. It's kind of look like easy and it is easy to be honest. So now you can see. Um, look at these wicks and they are sell side wicks. So what do these wicks tells us? They tells us that price try to go lower, but at some price point it hits and come back again. So you got this price move like this. It try to go lower and it hit it at some invisible level and then come back. Then again for 1 week it travel here, again try to go lower, hit it somewhere here and come back. What it says that here something is here. Okay. So the big players think this line is important one. So yes, you can note it or you can just mark it. It's up to you. But yeah, this one will be the interesting and this one will be the important line. You will see it in the future. Okay, this is the live. You can see this is the live. So yes, now I think price will either so two times price try to go lower and went up. Okay. Why not just take a note here and I will show you how did I make it. How did I took a notes? I just put a screenshot here and I just wrote it down here. Two times price tried to go down and then come back above. It tells that. either price will either price will move around here and try to go lower one more time, or it can give up the idea of going down uh, and it will reach this drawn liquidity. Next target, we will make it as maybe, I don't know, drawn liquidity, swing high, recent swing high. Okay, buy liquidity, you can say it. Okay, it's up to us. So yeah, these are our notations on weekly. So our anticipation is this week will be the bullish, and it will try to take this relative equal highs. I think I don't have anything for. Mm, okay, you can consider it. Relative equal size here. Will and uh, and the final target will be this buy liquidity. Uh, Swing high. I don't know. I'm sorry for that. So our anticipation is bullish. Consolidate, or it will try to go higher. Uh, Weekly bias equal to bullish, at least for this short term. 23880, at least till 23880. Okay. I will just put this one screenshot as well. Maybe I will replace this one because. So yeah, that's when. Now it's on a daily. You can see daily price already touched this and come back lower, and again now try to go higher. So up until now, but there is also, two scenarios, but we have to find out which one will be the most correct. First scenario is price touched this, swept the liquidity, and now the price next target is 23025, or maybe just price try to break through this high, and one more time break through this and go till the swing high 24070. Anything can be happen. I am not suggesting anything that this is only possible solution, this is only possible scenario. Maybe we are right, maybe we are wrong, we don't care. uh, so what is the important price point is this one as well. Look at this. I will just take it as a gap or make it as a CB. Okay, so the middle of this, either now price will turn around from this midpoint, because this is old high as well, this one, or if price break through this high or this midpoint forcefully, means with the power, then it is going very above, then it is going till the 24025. That's our anticipation, that's our analysis. This is the daily chart. So yes, daily chart is as well our bullish, maybe you can say that. So how we will write this in simple language, in which language we can understand. Price will try to 2380, touch 23808. Either price will reverse from it and go for sell side liquidity, or if price um, pass through 23808 with force, then it will go for buy side liquidity. So yeah, it's not very hard to be honest. I don't know should I write 4 hour analysis or not. I will depend on 1 hour analysis today. So yes, now look at this candle. I personally am not quoting someone else. I didn't watch any YouTube video. I personally saw it a lot of times that when you see this candle, the very big down close candle like this, then I can say 90% of the time it will retrace back till the Fibonacci level, at least Fibonacci level of 0.70. Where is that level? I don't know, man. Why is that levels? Mm, 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 mm. This level, at least I saw a lot of times. I don't know how much I can give you the. You can see it here. You can see it here. I can give you a lot of examples. Lot of examples. You can see it here. So if there is, you can see it. So now it gave one more manipulation, but eventually it recovers the gap. So whatever gap it created, you can see this gap is created, and then it recovered. But most of the time it recovered immediately. You can see this here, and then one more time it gives recovery here. See, Fibonacci level dot pinpoint. It's really magical. It's like finding a secret of market. So yes, it already touched it. So if you are trading at Friday PM session, so you have 100% bias, means 100% accurate bias at 1 p.m. You started the PM session and you know this candle and you know for sure that it is going to up. You can trade any type of P diaries you can use. If you are buying, you will be profitable. Means most of the time. So yes, now it is already covered a lot of things. It already covered the retracement. So yeah, we have to find out the next step which market can take. Now on 1 hour candle, if the retracement is taken, so yes, we can still mark out this CB and you can call it as a relative equal highs. So yes, they are very possible to we can trade through that. There is most possibility. Okay, so what we have now. Let me see it. We don't have opening gap, so yeah, anyway, no problem. So we have three candle pattern here. What is three candle pattern? This is the first candle, second candle have the highest high, and the third candle means the second candle have two um, lower highs on both of its side. It's similar like a fractal, but not actually fractal. And then the fourth candle will trade to the low of say third candle. Okay, so you got it. I don't know. I think I didn't explain it. The first candle, whatever color don't doesn't matter. Second candle have higher high. You note it. third candle have lower high, you note it. Now you will wait for the fourth candle. If the fourth candle trade through the low of this third candle, then we can say the bias is bearish. But that is just a one perspective, it's not 100% thing. This three candle pattern has to confluence with other trades. So you can say here we have one input that after this very big lower candle, we are going to go higher, and then we get three candle pattern here. This is the second candle, first candle, and third candle. Second candle have a lower low, and it has both side, it has higher low on both of its side, and the fourth candle trade through the higher high of third candle. So now from this 1400, from this third, fourth, from this fifth candle, we have confluence of this one indication and our three candle pattern. So we are like almost confirmed that after 2 p.m. market is going to up. And now we don't have that confluence yet. So yeah, we will wait for more information. So we can just write it down. Whatever I said, I will just write it down. What is, I don't know. Hmm, CB and um the market, also we have three candle bearish pattern. So we will wait for more information. Now on the 15-minute, so there is also one way to see it, like what is Asian? Asian is expansion. Okay. After 6 p.m. it aggressively run toward one direction. It is expansion or retracement, you can say whatever it is. And the London session is consolidation. So most of the time when London session is consolidation, New York will be manipulation most of the time. So if you mark out the London high and low, maybe you can see that manipulation already happened. If really the manipulation happened here, then the price will touch here. Then this will be the draw on liquidity. But we don't know it. We don't know actually. So we will wait for more information. But yes, if someone's told me to uh, pick your side, then yeah. Actually, we can't pick the side because yes, we can consider this one as manipulation. But if this one is manipulation, then why did market didn't go above this high? It is easier for market, right? There are a lot of pending orders here at 23790, and why market just take this high and go lower? So yes, if someone told me to pick a side, I will still rely on this high because market um, have to pick these orders if market wants to go lower. So yeah, so our bias will be the, so yeah, I don't know, maybe I have to change the draw on liquidity later, but for now the draw on liquidity will be this one. Yes, maybe I can, this is very early in a day, This is very early to commit drawn liquidity, but yes, my drawn liquidity will be this. Mm, mm, just wait a minute. Maybe uh, mm, I will like to change the name of my stream, but how can I? I don't know. Mm, how can I change the name of my stream? I don't know. Uh, Actually, what I wanted to do was that I wanted to change the name of stream and make it as a ICT study group or something, because I'm also finding more peoples to, who are wanting to learn and who are wanting to study the market, not just, obsessively trading for money. I want people who are just studying the market right now, just analyzing, just tape reading, just making their anticipation and checking the results. They don't care about money. I like that peoples. Let's write about it. I don't know, maybe you will find it boring to write, but yeah, I have to write it because of my personal progress. I have to track down how much I know. Mm, mm, mm. Sing high from which market come back, but there is but if it is liquidity sweep, then market should have swept that high. So I think it's that high is draw on liquidity and market can go above it or reverse from it. I don't care because we decided our drawn liquidity. Um, we'll look at that now. There is a market structure shift toward our market structures shift toward our drawn liquidity, which is good thing. Let's see. It's on 5 minutes, so this will be the inversion fair value gap. Let's see how price react now. Now, if you look at this now, this one also drawn liquidity and this is also relative equal lows. So both are strong, and if the New York is consolidation, there is a high probability that if London is consolidation, there is a high probability that New York will took both of the sides. So if you know the two uh, 22 ICT model to 2022 ICT model, I think that will work today. Very good. So yeah, we still we are just tape reading it. So yeah, I can be wrong. There is no problem. It I give up that report card mentality now. Means I'm trying to give up that. Um, Up until now, when I used to tape read or demo trade, If I'm wrong, I used to beat myself. Beat myself not means not literally, but psychologically. I used to abuse myself that why am I wrong and why I did that. But now, yes, I'm willing to give up that personality. I'm willing to give up that personality, and I'm adapting a mindset of no report card. Means we will just do our work. We will just study our markets. We will anticipate whether we are right, whether we are wrong. We are not going to judge ourselves. So yeah. So now what we are going to watch? To watch which PD arrays market is respecting and which one is disrespecting. So if we see too many PD arrays, too many bullish PD arrays are disrespected, then maybe we will change our drawn liquidity and put it to the somehow below the market. If we saw uh, too many bearish PD arrays are disrespected, then we become more and more confident on our drawn liquidity. So yeah, it's right now coming to the inversion fair value gap. We will see if it is respected or disrespected. We have a market structure shift here, but yeah, we didn't close above it. We maybe don't need to close above it, but yes. So yeah, if you can see price is rejecting from this inversion fair value gap, which is very good sign, but the candle is still didn't close it. So I don't know how can I fair value gap. Yeah. Maybe I have to change my theme. I don't know. Everything is looking very bad, to be honest. This color theme means I enjoyed this color theme because of printing, as I say. So if I, so as I am taking notes here, when I try to print this PDF, it automatically convert to the black and white. And when it convert to the black and white, these type of charts will be printed very properly. But if I make it as colorful, then a green candle and red candle both will be printed as black candles. So that's hard to see. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, this candle respected the inversion fair value gap. We will wait more. See, we can also see that this is the BC bullish uh, buy side imbalance, sell side liquidity. Um, Price can touch it and go above it. We don't know. We'll see it. To be honest, if this drawn liquidity has to mate today, then price shouldn't go a lot below this. At least do not close below this BC. We'll see that. Why these colors are so bad today? I don't know which I selected. I hated it. Blue is also fine, but what is about this sky blue? Mm, mhm. So yeah, the price is respecting both of the speed areas, inversion farewell gap as well as BC. That is very good thing. If this is close above the inversion fair value gap, this is very good thing. And we are like more we are more sure that this brown liquidity will mate today. I don't know. I should write it down, but I think I'm already speaking it. So price should be held above both PD arrays. Then our is more confirm. Uh, I don't know. I know this more confirm word is grammatically wrong, but yeah, English is not my first language. Bear with it. Let me see. I have work from home, so I also have to check my corporate mails. If something is wrong, I have to close everything and go for my work. But I think it's nothing yet. So yeah, I'm also confused about language. Should I record it in all this in English or Hindi? We will decide it later. But yeah, as you can see from my accent that I'm Indian, there is no very much surprise on that. I don't know. I want to speak in Hindi, but I think the audience is very less. I don't know how many people try to trade in India. Means I know there are a lot of people try to trade in India, but I saw this most of the people who try to trade in India you can say all over the world, mostly they are, no one wants to learn or no one wants to take trade. Means most of the people just wants one kind of black black box strategy. They don't know how that strategy works. They don't know the details about it. They just want some kind of rules and they want to over leverage their account and try to earn quick money, easy money. Well, I was also one of them, so yeah, I'm not blaming them, but this one, the studying process is a little bit longer and little bit harder. Means it will require patience, and as I already said, you have to give that report card mentality. When every day, every single day, you woke up, you did something little for 1 or 2 hours about trading, and keep asking yourself that will you be profitable? Will you be profitable like a robot? You don't need to do that. Just do whatever you can do for half hour, for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, as per your convenience, and don't um, just go for the results. Wait, wait like the same way you are waiting for the setup. You will wait till you become profitable. You know how many people trade, many successful traders, they wait for the market until they get an obvious trade. So at they wait for the perfect combination or perfect confluence that at one point they know that 100% their trade is going to be right. So and only trade those type of opportunities. So similar like that, we will wait for our we will just study whatever we can and we will wait for our career, the trading career to be at one point it will be very obvious that we are going to make money. It will be very obvious. It will be, like the easiest answer anyone can get by looking at our study and our anticipations that this guy is going to make money. There is no alternate reality. So yes, until that point, we will be here every day streaming and tape reading together. If anyone also want to, if anyone also comment, just comment if anyone also want to join this. Maybe we can stream it together. We can, you know, just study together. There is no need. Ice is moving around both of the. Uh, okay, something is wrong. My stream is. I think my stream is made it as a. No, I don't know. How can I edit this stream, man? I don't know. If anyone know, please tell me. This is not good because I, I want to change my settings of. I want to change the settings. I don't know, but do I really have to stop the stream to make a changes or what is this studio mode? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't want to exit. I will exit the studio mode. Output stream something is. Videos hotkeys. Come on, something. Give me some kind of. Ah, how can I edit the stream in OBS Studio? Prices. Okay, okay, okay. We got the reaction. We got the reaction, and this is awesome. This one is awesome. As you can see now, our loan liquidity is feel like more possible. Which one is right? Market didn't close below both of the both of the PDI rates, and it was good. Both of the PDIs market didn't close below it. That is very very good sign. You can see it on 1 minute chart. There is no necessity. There is no issue. I don't know if you really want to trade or you want to hurry a trade. Maybe you can enter on the this BC. Why this BC? Because this BC is exactly at 50%, exactly at 50%. This one, so yeah. Or you can make it till